So you stayed as a YouTube analytics for 6 months and thought, this monetization thing isn't happening for me. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, YouTube's bar is real. And doing it solo, guessing at thumbnails, titles, and what actually keeps people watching, that's a slow way. Stop guessing alone. Join a community of creators doing the real work. Honest feedback on thumbnails and hooks, real collabs, and people checking in to keep you consistent. No bots, no fake subs, just creators helping creators grow the right way. Calling all developers, builders, digital marketing nomads, and content creators. If you're creating content or building products, it's time to get rewarded for your hard work. If you're just starting out or you want to increase your following, this space is also for you. Now, inside the Growth and Accountability Hub, we have skill sharing on SEO and editing, real collaborations with creators in your niche, weekly accountability check-ins, and a path to monetization that doesn't disappear the moment YouTube notices. If you're building content and ready to stop guessing, the links below. Come grow with people who are actually in it with you. And don't forget, it's free. Click the link below and you join for free.